Welcome to this channel. So in this part of our video we will show you how can you add this product to your collection. So to add this product to our collection we should click just collection. So after clicking collection we will delete this home page which was created earlier. Just click on three dot on right side and click delete collection and click delete again. The home page will be deleted. Now we will create our new collection. Just click on create collection. After that give a title of your connection which will show on your page. After you can write a description and collection type will be manual. We will manually add product to this page, and if we want to add product smart then we should just need to put a tag like hoodie, then hoodie will be go to this collection. So whenever we add hoodie and just click on hoodie tag, we will see that the hoodie will come to this collection, and after that we will add image to our collection. Just click a switchable image for your collection. We are clicking this image for our collection list. So our main collection will show this image. So after uploading we will click select and then done. Image will be uploaded here. After that we click on save. So after waiting for some time we will see that the collection has been created. Okay, but there are no product. We will create another collection. Okay, just click on right side, create collection on the right side. Okay, and this collection name will be women. So type women. So you may write description of your own, and we will also add a image to this collection. Just click on the image and click on open, and just after uploading click on done. So after clicking done, the image will be uploaded to this site, and then click on save. So we have now successfully added to collection. Okay, we will create another collection that is called new arrival. Okay, that is new arrival. So we may add an image to our new arrival collection. Just click a switchable image. So after uploading this image it will show to our new arrival collection. Okay, just click on done and the image all have been uploaded. Okay, so our three collection is ready. So in this way you can create your collection. Okay, so hope that you understand the video.